Alright, hey guys, so I have a really quick fall inspired look for you, hair and makeup. So if you are interested in how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright, hey guys, so the wig I'm wearing today is from UNice Hair or UNice Hair. I have on their 13x6 lace frontal curly wig. It's in 24 inches and it's 150% density. So I have done a review on this wig already. I will put that down in the description box for you. So I have a few things I want to point out with this particular wig. One being, I think the hair is really pretty, you guys. This is when it's been freshly co-washed, and here I'm just melting, or doing my best to melt the lace, but the hair is really pretty. The curl pattern is really pretty, and I was just going for this look just something very easy. So this is definitely a wig that, as long as you just kind of customize the hairline and do what you do there, you should be fine, and you shouldn't have to put that much effort into. However, right here, the back for some reason with this wig is not as full as the front, which is very odd for me to come into contact with, because typically I find that wigs are not as full in the front versus the back. So for me, I felt like this wig just needed a little bit more volume in the back. Even after I finished putting in my wand curls, it still felt a little flat. So I think it just needs some some layers, and it should be okay, because this is actually a really nice wig, you guys. Secondly is it does frizz pretty quickly. I'm here in Houston, so we've had a lot of rain lately, humidity, and so the hair, I did notice, frizzed a lot faster than I would have wanted it to. So just be mindful of that whenever you are styling it. But overall, I think this is nice hair. I think it's good hair. I like the wig. It fits good. It feels good after a few wears of it. Just a few tips. It is curly hair, so if you do have this in a sew-in, or you do keep your wigs on for an extended period of time, you may want to just make sure you are wrapping it at night, or tying it up, in maybe a couple of big braids, and keeping it properly detangled. But I will put all the information for this particular hair in the description box, so you'll have it. And I'm going to shut up and let you finish watching this get ready with me video. So the makeup look you're going to see today is pretty much a go-to look I have been doing. All products, everything that you see in this video, I have been using on a day-to-day basis. It's just very easy, and just if it's easy and simple for me, I'm gonna love it. So I'm gonna let you guys finish watching this video. In the end, I'm just gonna curl the hair, add a little bit more volume to it, just because I like big hair and I just wanted something a little bit, of a flirtier type of style, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, this whole look, because I really loved it. And also on my Instagram, I posted a picture of me today with this hair, and a lot of you guys were wondering what it is, and now you know exactly what I'm wearing. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, put them down below. I will answer you. Until then, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.